In today's world, cars have evolved far beyond simple machines for transportation. They've become symbols of power, safety, and sheer dominance. But among them, a few vehicles truly rise above the rest. These are not your average luxury rides. They're rolling fortresses, built to protect, impress, and even intimidate. From billionaire tycoons and world leaders to those operating in the shadows, these machines serve one purpose: total security and unmatched sophistication. Some can withstand bullets, others can survive explosions. So buckle up, because today we're diving into the secret world of the most powerful and luxurious armored vehicles ever created. Engine Panhard unveiled their crab buggy back in 2012, and it seems John Cocker followed a similar path with the Cockerel 2X, which made its debut in March 2022. Both machines look like they came from the same creative minds, especially since specialists often point out their versatility, impressive speed, and cutting-edge tech. For instance, the Crab features an unmanned turret, while the Cockerel uses AI-powered systems along with dedicated helmets for the crew. Each vehicle can also be fitted with either a 25 or 30mm cannon, but the Cockerel takes the lead in speed, hitting 200 kilometers per hour compared to the Crab's 100 kilometers per hour. Still, the Crab has its own highlight. It can move sideways, staying true to its name. The Black Alligator MM20 is the latest masterpiece from Dart's Prombron, a brand known for pushing the limits of luxury and protection. Built on the platform of the Mercedes-Benz AMG GLS 63, this beast isn't just a reworked SUV, it's a statement of power and prestige. Dart's, famous for its armored Black Stallion Hummer H2, has once again raised the bar with this stunning Lunar Year edition. Unlike the original Mercedes model, which features a digital instrument cluster, Dart's has gone old school, replacing it with traditional analog gauges, customizable with gold and diamond accents for those who crave exclusivity. Don't worry though, a digital display still handles navigation and infotainment. What truly makes this SUV extraordinary is its GBL armor protection system, a cutting-edge composite technology borrowed straight from the military world. Dart's claims this is the first civilian vehicle ever to use GBL armor, combining unmatched strength with surprisingly low weight. Other futuristic touches include cameras instead of side mirrors, electrochromic glass, and high-intensity lights for maximum visibility. Under the hood lies a tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, originally producing 603 horsepower, but Dart's offers upgrades pushing it an extra 100 to 300 horsepower, depending on your appetite for speed. The Black Alligator MM20 isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury fortress on wheels, designed for those who want to travel in ultimate power, prestige, and protection. The USSV Rhino GX, a bold creation from a relatively young automotive manufacturer based in California. This beast rides on a Ford Super Duty chassis, powered by a massive 6.8-liter V10 engine that delivers an impressive 362 horsepower. To handle all that strength, the Rhino GX comes with a class-leading hydraulic suspension system offering 3 adaptive modes, giving drivers precise control whether they're cruising city streets or tackling off-road chaos. It's also fitted with 4-wheel vented disc brakes and heavy-duty calipers, ensuring that stopping this steel monster feels just as confident as launching it. Step inside, and it's an entirely different world. The cabin exudes luxury and craftsmanship, wrapped in premium leather, wood veneers, and high-gloss finishes. It's less like an armored SUV and more like a private jet on wheels, filled with tech comforts and modern indulgence. The Rezvani Tank X is nothing short of outrageous, a wild fusion of luxury, power, and pure madness on wheels. Built on the Jeep Wrangler chassis, this machine barely resembles its humble origins. Under the hood, Rezvani drops in a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, borrowed from the legendary Dodge Demon, fine-tuned to unleash a mind-blowing 1,000-plus horsepower. To keep that force in check, the Tank X is fitted with Fox 2.0 shocks and a 4-inch lift, riding on Nitto Trail Grappler tires for serious grip and off-road confidence. And if that's not enough, Rezvani offers an optional Fox 3.0 Extreme shock system with a 5-inch lift, basically turning this SUV into a monster truck with military precision. The interior drips with leather and high-end tech, anchored by a massive infotainment screen that blends toughness with sophistication. But here's where things get truly next level. For around $100,000 more, you can upgrade to the military edition, featuring ballistic armor, night vision, cloud-linked surveillance, and even EMP protection that keeps the electronics running in the event of a nuclear blast. It's not just a car, it's a fortress built for the end of the world, wrapped in luxury and speed. The Teradyne Gurkha CIV is where military engineering meets civilian luxury, a beast built for those who take safety as seriously as performance. Crafted proudly in Canada, this massive machine is based on the tough Ford Super Duty F450 or F550 platform. The Gurkha's custom-built body is engineered to withstand gunfire and explosions, thanks to its double-walled, high-density steel armor. Every inch, from its bulletproof panels to the reinforced glass, is designed to protect its occupants from the unthinkable. And here's the part that shows real thoughtfulness. Roof escape hatches are built in for emergency exits, proving this vehicle isn't just about intimidation, it's about survival. Under that armored skin, a 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine works in harmony with an automatic transmission, delivering 330 horsepower and an astounding 894 newton-meters of torque. Considering this monster weighs over 6 tons, that's some serious muscle to keep it moving confidently through any situation. It's a statement of power, protection, and peace of mind for those who want the kind of security only a fortress on wheels can provide. This isn't just transportation, it's personal armor, disguised as an SUV. The Phantom MPV is not your average armored vehicle. It's a powerhouse of mobility, strength, and modern engineering. Built with B6-level armor, this machine is designed to thrive in the world's most unforgiving terrains while keeping its passengers completely protected. What really sets the Phantom apart is its balance between high performance and extreme durability. It's built to handle not just rough terrain, but also the chaos of ballistic threats, IEDs, and mine blasts. Engineered for both military and government operations, the Phantom MPV can be customized for a wide range of missions, outfitted with specialized gear and tactical equipment to meet specific needs. With its B6 protection rating, it shrugs off assault rifle fire and blast impacts, giving its crew the confidence to operate even in hostile zones. Underneath its rugged exterior lies a diesel-electric hybrid powertrain producing an astonishing 1,600 horsepower, enough to push this 6-ton beast to speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. Despite its size, it's shockingly agile, with 16 inches of ground clearance and an 18-hour hybrid endurance, making it a true endurance machine, built for modern warfare and rapid response operations. The Inca's Sentry Civilian SUV stands as one of the most secure and luxurious armored vehicles money can buy. It's a refined version of the rugged machines trusted by SWAT teams and special forces units around the world. Built on a Ford F-550 chassis and meticulously engineered by Inca's armored vehicles in Canada, this beast blends power, safety, and style in a way few others can. Under the hood, it roars with a 6.7-liter turbocharged V8 diesel engine, pushing out 390 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that keeps performance smooth even in the harshest terrain. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that feels closer to a luxury lounge than a tactical vehicle, with premium leather upholstery, advanced entertainment systems, and customizable comfort options designed to pamper every passenger. But make no mistake, this SUV is also a fortress on wheels. It's fitted with bulletproof glass, run-flat tires, and reinforced armor plating capable of withstanding multiple rounds of assault rifle fire and even the blast of a few DM-51 grenades. For those who want even more security, Incas offers upgrades like night vision cameras, chemical protection systems, and 360-degree surveillance coverage for total situational awareness. Inside, every passenger gets their own heated, cooled, and massaging captain's chair, along with a massive entertainment divider screen separating the front and rear cabins. With BR 7-level military-grade protection, the Sentry Civilian is both a mobile bunker and a luxury retreat. The Rezvani Vengeance isn't just another full-sized SUV. It's a bold statement of design, power, and futuristic imagination brought to life. With its aggressive military-inspired styling and commanding presence, this off-road beast looks like it's been pulled straight out of a sci-fi video game. Underneath its armor-like body, the Vengeance sits on a platform inspired by the Cadillac Escalade, meaning it combines military toughness with luxury refinement. It rolls on massive 35-inch off-road tires, ready to tackle any terrain, while inside, you're treated to a premium cabin that mirrors Cadillac's iconic dashboard design. A subtle reminder that brute strength doesn't have to come at the cost of sophistication, but where the Vengeance truly separates itself from the crowd is in its optional military package, which feels like something James Bond would dream up. We're talking bullet-resistant armor, reinforced glass, run-flat tires, underbody protection, and an arsenal of high-tech defenses, including thermal night vision, EMP protection, electrified door handles, and even a smokescreen generator and pepper spray dispenser for ultimate survival scenarios. With seating for up to 8 passengers across 3 rows, this monster doesn't just protect, it pampers. Powering it all is a 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing out 420 horsepower, giving the Vengeance both muscle and refinement. Pricing starts around $285,000, but depending on customization, it can soar beyond $780,000. Proof that when it comes to the Rezvani Vengeance, power, luxury, and imagination know no limits. The Kalman King, proudly hailing from Italy, is widely regarded as the most luxurious and expensive SUV ever built, a true symbol of wealth, power, and exclusivity. What makes it even more fascinating is that this ultra-opulent masterpiece is actually based on the rugged Ford F-550 pickup platform, blending off-road strength with world-class luxury in a way few vehicles ever have. At over 6 tons of pure craftsmanship, the Kalman King isn't just built to impress, it's built to endure any terrain while wrapping its passengers in unmatched comfort. Beneath the sculpted armor lies a 367 horsepower engine, allowing it to glide effortlessly at speeds of up to 87 miles per hour, proving that even the heaviest luxury fortress can move with grace and confidence. Step inside, and you'll instantly realize why this SUV has been called a palace on wheels. Designed to carry up to 7 passengers, every inch of the interior screams sophistication. From the neon skylighting and built-in coffee machine to the electric tables, minibar, and advanced air purification system. You'll also find a flat-screen TV, PlayStation 4, satellite connectivity, Wi-Fi, and a premium hi-fi sound system, ensuring every journey feels like a private 5-star escape. And the experience doesn't end there. Every function, from lighting to entertainment, can be controlled through a dedicated in-car app or smart control panel, merging luxury with next-gen technology. With only 9 handcrafted units being produced in Italy and a limited number of US versions planned, exclusivity is guaranteed. And that's a wrap. These cutting-edge armored vehicles aren't just symbols of luxury. They're masterpieces of technology built to protect their owners in any situation. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible machines, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video on the world's most advanced vehicles.